Hi guys, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will ask Engineer Wang to share with us about the different PP strip size match for the different type PP strip machine. We currently have 3 types of strip machine: big PP strip machine, small PP strip machine, wolf port PP strip machine. Big PP strip size: thickness 1 mm, width 15 mm. Small PP strip size: thickness 0.65 to 0.75 mm, width 11 mm. Wolf port PP strip size: thickness 0.8 mm, width 13 mm. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.